This video is going to teach you how to add a looping sound onto your project. Right now I have no sound and I want to put a sound with it. So I am going to run, it's called parallel code, which means I'm giving my project two sets of instructions at the same time. You can choose any sprite. Right now I'm on sprite 3. And so I'm just going to do it to sprite 3. I'm going to go to my events, and you need to run a parallel code. I need to grab out that same instruction when the green flag is clicked. Now this is when I get to change. I want to say when the green flag is clicked, I want a sound to start, and then I'm going to end the sound at the end of my project. So I'm going to go to my sounds. It always looks like you only have one sound, but that's because I haven't gone into my sound library. So I'm going to click on choose a sound. And then I'm going to click on loops because I want sounds that go continuously, not just a one simple sound. I want it to be basically a song in the background. You can, if you hover over them, it will show you what it is. I am actually going to choose eggs, this one right here. So I'm going to click on it. I want you to look through all yours. Remember, you can always pause these videos. Look through yours, find a fun sound that you enjoy. So it will add itself to your sound menu here. So now I'm going to go back to my code. And so now I need to go to my sound blocks. It's the third one down, these fuchsia ones. And I'm going to grab out a start sound eggs. I'm going to put that in my parallel code. And now I also need to grab out a stop all sound. Since it is a loop, it will just keep going and going and going, and my project will never end, and I don't want that. So I'm going to grab out a stop all sounds. It's the third block down. And now I'm actually going to put that at the end of my other code, because if I put start sound eggs, then stop all sounds, it's never actually going to happen because it is a loop. It's just going to start that sound and keep going. So I'm going to put it at the end of here, but I actually want to grab a wait, because I want to get to my last look and I want it to sit there for a minute and have some music so everyone can see that last design that I have. So I'm going to grab out a wait 1 second. I'm going to put it at the very end of my code. And then I'm going to change this to a wait. I'm just going to put a 4 second, and then I'm going to hit stop all sounds. So you only need to grab out these 3 blocks, when green flag clicked, and then 2 from the sound menu, start sound and stop all sounds. But if you also want to grab out a wait like I did, you are welcome to. Play around with the sound that you want, add it to whichever sprite you want, and then your project will be complete.
Created using Powtoon.